Hello everyone, I've got new Skechers and I thought I'm going to share it with you. Look at these. Mom, have a look up as well. My mom has no clue how to film me. Goodness me. She's so bad at filming. Here we are. They have never been worn outside. I love this Skechers. Please leave a link below if you like them too. Please leave a link below to show me if you like them too. Thank you for liking my videos and for leaving comments. Thank you very much for watching all of my videos and for being my loyal subscribers and loyal friends and fans. And thank you very much for everything. So, have a nice day and watch my next new videos that are coming soon. Love you.